Hi crafty friends! Today we're making a custom camping themed name sign. Perfect for your little adventurer's room. Your kit comes with everything you need: paints, paintbrushes, Mod Podge, laser cut letters that spell out your name and camping decor pieces, and a wooden circular backing. Start by picking your colors and paint each letter and camping cutout your way. Go earthy, go bold, or mix it up. Using the larger flat paintbrush, carefully paint the camping scene cutouts. I'm using a navy blue for the tent and mountains, and a sap green for the trees. Take your time on this step. It's the little details that really make your sign shine. For the letters, I'm using the same sap green as I did with the trees to keep the sign nice and uniform. Let them dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Now paint your sign base to match your style, or keep the natural wood look. Seal or prep it with a coat of Mod Podge. Lay out your letters and decor to get the perfect look. Then glue them down with Mod Podge and let that dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Finish with one last seal over the whole sign and you're done. You just made your very own custom camping name sign. If you enjoyed this project, you can find more DIY kits just like this one at crazycraftcreations.com. Grab yours and start your adventure today. Share your project and tag us on socials. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. Happy crafting!